Good morning, dear students. My name is Ms. Shilpa Lambat. I welcome you all in your GK class. Today we are going to see some quiz questions. So let's start. Your first question is, choose the correct answer. First one, which mineral is good for your bones? Which mineral is good for your bones? That is calcium. Your second question, which is the biggest internal organ of the human body? That is the biggest internal organ of the human body is liver. Where is the saliva produced in our body? That is saliva produced in our mouth. Fourth one, how much time does it take to digest food? It takes 24 to 72 hours. Where do you find hemoglobin in our body? Where do you find, children? Yes, we will find hemoglobin in the blood. Which amongst the following vitamins is made by the human body? It is vitamin D. What makes things or bodies free from germs? That is antiseptic. Next, which among the following needs vaccination to prevent its occurrence? That is polio. Children, you have also taken the polio? Yes, we needs vaccination to prevent its occurrence. Now, next, what causes the disease called anemia? That is A, because of deficiency of iron. आयरन की कमतरता की वजह से you will affected by anemia. Next, what is outermost layer of the skin called? That is epidermis. Children, this is all about your quiz. Now next lesson, yoga for kids. Children, are you doing the yoga regularly? Yes, you have to do. Why? Look at these yoga postures. They are very important for us. Practice these postures, means asanas, under the guidance of an expert. Now we will see. Your first asana is Simhasana, means lion posture. It is beneficial for the muscles of face and neck. It regulates functioning of thyroid. Now, thyroid is one type of disease. And now, when you don't have to do, you do not practice if you are suffering from backache. अगर आपको बैकएक का प्रॉब्लम है, if you are knee pain, if your knee is paining, throat problems and jaws pain, if you are having, jaws means jabda, if you are facing this problem, so you don't have to do. Next, your next posture is Mandukasana, means frog posture. It is beneficial for the people having heavy bellies, thighs or hips. If anyone is having high bellies, high thighs or high hips, so it is beneficial. It improves digestive disorders. Now, when you do not have to do not practice if you have a back problem. Next, your next asana is Uttana Mandukasana, means stretch up frog posture. It helps in reduce back pain. See, agar aapko back pain, if you are having back pain, so it will reduce. Now, do not practice it if you are suffering from knee pain. See, this is your knee pain. If you are suffering from knee pain, you do not have to do. Next, Bhujangasana, that is cobra posture. It makes spine flexible. Now, when you do not have to do not practice if you have abdominal pain. Now, what is abdominal pain? Abdominal pain is a pain that occurs between chest and pelvic regions. It also called a stomach ache. If you are having this pain, you do not have to do. Next posture is your halasana, means plug posture. Plug posture. It helps in increasing the height of children. See children, this is very helpful to you. It helps to increase the height. Now, when you do not have to do not practice it if you have spine problems and high blood pressure. Now, what is meant by high blood pressure? A condition in which the flow of the blood against the artery walls too high. If you are having high BP, so you do not have to do. Now, next is your dhyana, means meditation. It lowers heart rate and blood pressure. It also helps in reducing stress. If you are having any stress, like exam stress, your study stress, so do the meditation. It will help. Children, this is all about your yoga. So, you have to do the yoga daily in the morning. Okay, children? Now, next, lesson number 32. I can control myself. Children, controlling ourselves is very important. See how we will see. To control what we say or do and to think before we do anything is called self-control. Means before we want to do anything, so we have to think. That is called the self-control. The main thing needed to learn self-control are discipline and patience. So, for everything you have your discipline and patience. Now, here we have given some pictures. Which of the following children are showing self-control? Now, we have to see. Put a tick against those showing self-control and cross against those losing their self-control. Now, we will see. See children, in your first picture, children are happily talking with each other. It means they are showing self-control. So, we have to put a tick mark. Now, in this picture, see, in this picture, as soon as they open the tiffin, they lose their self-control. Means they are very eager to eat the tiffin. Means they are losing their self-control. So, we have to cross. Now, third one. In this picture also, the boy is losing self-control as chapati is little tear. So, see how the face is irritating. It means he is losing his self-control. So, we have to cross. In D picture, the two boys are fighting. So, it means again they are losing their self-control. So, we have to cross. See children now, how happily she is eating. Means she has discipline and patience. So, she is showing self-control. So, we have to tick. Next, see how they are standing in a line. It means how they are showing a self-control. Yes, they are showing very nice discipline and they are having the patience. So, that's why they are in line. So, we have to tick. Next, she is crying. So, it means she is losing her control. So, we have to cross. See, again these two, girl and boy, they are fighting with each other for toys. Means they are losing their self-control. So, we have to cross. Now, see last picture. How silently they are looking something. See, means they have the discipline, so we have to, and they are showing a self-control, so we have to teach. Children, this is all about how you can control yourself. Now next, learn and apply these quotes in your life. Children, self-control is knowing you can but deciding you won't. Now here you have given some elements of self-control, that is willpower, confidence, determination, calmness and balance. If you learn self-control, you can master anything. Means if you know how it's work, so you can master of anything. Now, willpower. What is willpower? The ability to control yourself. Okay, means strong. Confidence. Now, what is meant by confidence? Confidence, full trust or belief in power. Determination. Determination is a positive emotional feeling that involves preserving towards a difficult goal in spite of obstacles. Calmness. Calmness means coolness, peace. Calmness is the mental state of peace of mind, being free from disturbance. Now, balance. Balance means fairness. So, these are the 5 elements of self-control. Now, children, here you have given one game that you will learn self-control through game. So, what you have to do? You have to read it with carefully and you have to play this game with your family. Okay children, I hope up to this you understood. Thank you. Have a nice day.